Hey everyone, today I'm diving into one of the biggest questions of our time. Why should everyone, yes everyone, start learning AI in 2025? Look, AI isn't just for scientists or tech geeks anymore. It's transforming jobs, industries, and even the way we live. If you want to stay relevant, competitive, and future proof, this is your wake up call. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly why AI is the skill of the decade. Part 1, AI is already everywhere. Now, let's start with this. AI is already in your life. Netflix recommending your next show. That's AI. Google Maps finding the best route. AI. Your phone's face unlock. Yup, AI. Chatbots on websites, voice assistants like Alexa, Spotify, playlist, AI, AI, AI. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. The question is, do you want to just be a consumer of AI or do you want to understand it, use it, and maybe even build it? Part 2, AI is reshaping jobs and businesses. Here's the truth, AI isn't taking away all jobs, but people who know how to work with AI will definitely replace those who don't. In marketing, finance, healthcare, education, design, transportation, AI is helping people work smarter, not harder. Example, marketers use AI to analyze customer data, doctors use AI to improve diagnosis, writers use AI tools to brainstorm and edit. Small business owners use AI for customer service and automation. The best workers of tomorrow are not those who fear AI. They are the ones who know how to use it. Part 3, you don't need to be a tech genius to start. The best part, you don't have to become an AI engineer. There are so many easy ways to get started. Learn how ChatGPT works, use Canva's AI design tools, try AI video or music generators, learn simple AI concepts on free platforms like Coursera, edX, or YouTube. It's about understanding the basics, not mastering the math. Part 4, boost your creativity, productivity, and opportunities. AI isn't just about replacing humans, it's about amplifying human potential. Need to brainstorm ideas? Use AI. Want to automate boring tasks? Use AI. Want to analyze data faster? Use AI. Want to create art, music, or stories? Use AI. Suddenly, you can do things you never imagined before. For an example, a student used an AI tool to write a business plan and launched a real startup. Another example, a musician used AI to mix beats and he went viral on TikTok. AI makes the impossible possible. Part 5, stay relevant, stay competitive, stay curious. Let's be blunt. In 2025 and beyond, people don't understand AI risk taking behind. But here's the good news, AI is not a threat if you learn it, use it, and adopt. In the age of AI, the most valuable skill is not perfection, it's adaptability. Whether you are a student, employee, freelancer, entrepreneur, or retired, learning AI keeps you relevant, confident, and ready for whatever comes next. So here's my challenge to you. Make 2025 the year you start learning AI. It doesn't matter where you begin, it matters that you begin. Because the future is already here and the smartest move you can make is to understand it. If this video got you thinking, hit like, drop a comment. What's one AI tool you want to learn this year? And subscribe for more videos on tech, growth, and future skills. Remember, you don't have to beat the machine, you just have to learn how to dance with it. See you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.